successfully utilized the astonishing power of artificial intelligence, eliminating the influence of human factors on the war situation, the adverse effects, and the numerous tactical future battlefield. Victory or defeat is no longer solely determined by the strength of fighter jets and aircraft carriers. The core factor that truly determines the outcome of a battle is computing power. Artificial intelligence. There is now one more person on the commander's staff who is completely reshaping the command model. Super military capable of simulating millions of battle scenarios. Traditional weapons simulations have inherent limitations that are difficult to overcome in the face of changing battlefield environments. Massive amount of sea breeze. Electromagnetic interference terrain. Water ripples can alter the course of battle, depending on whether the sand table or a regular computer is used. A complete strategic simulation typically requires several days to develop the plan. Insufficient adaptability makes it difficult to adapt to the rapidly changing situation on a real battlefield. The computing power of the US military's war Matrix simulation system, reaching 10,000 times the real time, can compress several days of combat readiness assessments into a few minutes. Zhongliandong. After the equipment data was collected, testing costs decreased by 70% and the R&D cycle was halved. Alpha Dogbian Project. US Air Force AI achieves flight performances that are difficult for human pilots. The completed Extreme Maneuverability Storm system. It can quickly generate hundreds of tactical plans, improving commanders' decision-making efficiency by 100%. Part 40. My country's self-developed evil war. Full domain combat simulation system. This system also achieved a leapfrog breakthrough, equipped with a high-precision physics engine. Integrating massive amounts of satellite remote sensing data to control the sea, complex environments such as wind and electromagnetic interference are all incorporated into the simulation model. Controlling the field simulation error to within 5% originally took 3 days. The completed full domain confrontation simulation is now. The 4-hour run-through of a routine tactical simulation has been further compressed to 10 seconds to support level 1 battlefield variables. The biggest advantage of iterative AIs. Breaking out of the fixed drama. This ability to respond to any challenge relies on enhanced learning. AI can perform in red-blue team battles. We have successfully integrated virtual training by flexibly adapting to and independently optimizing our tactics. Calculate. French fashion. The closed-loop drone used in the application was trained by AI simulation. The pass rate for the flight test soared from 30% to 85% of the time. The calculation is truly done in advance. Precision and victory. Coordinated operations of unmanned equipment across sea, air, and land are a core challenge in intelligent warfare. A single drone may be powerful, but it's far from enough to swarm together. The formation must achieve a high degree of coordination. Evil War is specifically designed for multi-platform collaboration. Joint cooperation honed through specialized training. The combat algorithm can be directly deployed to active equipment, enabling unmanned swarms to conduct systematic attacks. Beautiful. The military has deployed large-scale models in actual combat operations in the Middle East, enabling cloud integration and naval capabilities. Rapidly generate multiple sets of strike plans based on massive intelligence. However, over-reliance on AI can easily lead to intelligence misjudgments, caused accidental shooting. Unmanned combat. Full edge. Boundaries and ethical red lines are what major powers must strictly adhere to. The race for intelligent warfare has now fully unfolded. Traditional exercises often involve mobilizing tens of thousands of tons of regional concealed troops. Fighter jets consume astronomical sums of money. Digital wargames can be completed at zero cost. Tens of millions of venues. The second confrontation exercise greatly reduced training expenses, focusing on equipment demonstration and tactical training. Grind to official. Military routine training computing power. Just. Throughout the entire chain of national defense construction. Who possesses the stronger supercomputing power? Whoever has the strength can predict the course of the battlefield in advance. Who possesses a mature unmanned combat AI system? Who? That way, we can firmly grasp the mastery of the next generation of war. Motion. Computing power is combat power. Digitalized military training is building the most solid foundation for a major power's national defense. (2026). Artificial intelligence deeply embedded in the entire warfare chain in 2026. February's codename, Lion's Fury, indicates cross-border precision. The strike operation has completely torn away the veil of a new era in intelligent warfare. The entire operation started with intelligence. From data collection, analysis, and decision-making to drone swarm strikes. Artificial intelligence permeates the entire process. AI in combat processes is no longer just a battlefield aid. It has evolved into a driver of warfare. The core engine of rotation. Today, artificial intelligence is fully integrated into the 5 major combat cycles, and the battle revolves around algorithms. New military transformations based on force data. Reforms are reshaping the global battlefield. The rules were first introduced by the US military at the national strategic level. Finish. Military AI system fully upgraded. In early 2026, the United States released a new version of its AI acceleration strategy, relaxing restrictions on the use of military AI, investing only $100 billion to develop military intelligence systems. Take $54 billion. Building a military intelligence network in collaboration with leading Silicon Valley technology companies. More than 100,000 AI intelligence networks. The system can process massive amounts of battlefield data around the clock, covering land, sea, and air networks in multiple dimensions. Breadth. Real-time summary transmission. The system relies on manual sorting. The traditional intelligence model has been completely phased out, and a full-scale intelligent arms race has begun. AI will be the first to disrupt. It is a battlefield, perception ability. Go to the battlefield, filled with intelligence blind spots, relying on manual screening of massive amounts of data. Monitoring communication data is extremely inefficient, and in the course of implementing the RAGE action, mobile satellite ground radar signal monitoring equipment. Achieve a sense of wholeness. Knowledge network. Large-scale model for fast parsing of encrypted communication. The accuracy rate of foreign language intelligence recognition is close to 99%. AI has achieved this in just a few hours. It can complete intelligence analysis work that would take 100 people several months in a short time. The fog of war was calculated, law layer by layer, realizing the transition from passive reconnaissance to actively anticipating dangerous shifts, but the massive amount of data also contains misinformation. AI identifies distortion hidden. The disease always exists. Interpersonal relationships in the command and decision-making process are undergoing a fundamental transformation. Previous commanders. It takes time. AI can now analyze the situation and formulate combat plans in seconds, taking hours. The system can generate multiple operational plans, Commanders only need to select and adjust the plans during this operation. Based on the intelligent decision-making platform, the daily completion, the ability to target thousands of targets is truly different from planned strike operations, increasing response speed by 100-fold. But the hidden dangers then became apparent. Algorithm black box is hard to solve. AI decision-making speed is determined by its logic, continuously compressing human reaction time. If the data is biased, it can easily lead to misjudgment and irreversible damage to civilian lives. Casualties. The strike N then completes the transition from the point of sexual lethality to net. The revolutionary kill net in mechanized warfare delivers lethality measured in hours. Information warfare. Intelligent warfare has been shortened to minutes, directly advancing to millisecond-level single-drone satellite detection. Post-bid. AI can be synchronized. Mobilize multiple types of air and ground. Human equipment coordinated strikes. Various autonomous combat drones have been deployed on a large scale in actual combat. Warfare and strategic maneuvering are no longer limited to physical equipment attacks on enemy algorithms, computing power, and data links. Soft kill methods. Its strategic value far exceeds that of traditional artillery. Combating algorithmic power becomes brand new. Battlefield system. Behind the rapid iteration of high tech, the ethical and safety challenges cannot be avoided. AI cannot judge targets solely based on data metrics. The Middle East lacks value judgments regarding innocent civilians. Multiple attacks where algorithmic misjudgments led to numerous child injuries and deaths expose the reliance on purely machine-based algorithms. The cold floors of combat. The arms race continues to intensify as countries accelerate the development of intelligent military equipment. A unified global framework for constraining military AI is urgently needed. The rule-based intelligent war is already. The trend is that AI greatly improves combat efficiency, but it can never replace human value judgments. The AI-dominated warfare revolution of 2006 brought about a global transformation. The world is sounding the alarm. Advanced algorithms are merely tools of war, and humanity must firmly grasp them. The final decision-making power in war, safeguarding the bottom line between technological advancements and war conscience. Algorithms completely dominate the killing.